Stop the panic. Stop it. It is only but a subject formula. Hi. Look at this. Make R the subject formula. Look at this. So here now we are to make R to stand on its own. You can see here P is standing on its own, A is standing on its own at the left hand side of the equation. So that is exactly what we are asked to do here. We want to bring out this arrow from here to stand on its own, either on the left or right. Also the same thing goes there. So let's go ahead. Number one, R. This R is attached to Q and 2. So we want to bring it out. The next thing for us to do here is P is equal to, in order to bring this R out of the bracket, we need to open the bracket using 2. So 2 times Q will give us 2Q. We also use the same thing again to multiply R, which will give us 2R, because both Q and R are sharing these two. So what next? What do we do next now? We're going to take away 2Q. That is, we shift it towards the left hand side of the equation. And by so doing, that will give us P. 2Q moving to the left will give us minus 2Q, which is equal to 2R. We can see now that R is already standing on its own. But there is still a problem here. What is that problem? 2 is still attached to it. Make R the subject, not make 2R the subject. Are you getting that? Alright, so let's continue. What do we need to do next here? We need to divide both sides using the coefficient of R, which is 2. So when you divide this by 2, we want 2 to go. And you will also divide this side by 2. Then 2 will take away 2. You can see that R is alone here now. 2 cannot divide here because 2 cannot divide P. Therefore, we're now having P minus 2Q over 2 is equal to R. That is the answer. Or if you want R to be on the left hand side, that will still give us R is equal to P minus 2Q all over 2. And that's correct. Stop the panic. It is simple. Hi. Sure. If I leave you now, you forget to share this. Share so that your friend will also learn. Ngwa now. Bye-bye.